if you have a building which is rented but there is no savings on it, do you need to give zakat? No. If you get the earning from that rent, and then you have a saving which is extra saving, and you add that saving to it, so it becomes a total one saving. It's not saving from the rent, it's not saving from the cattle, it's not saving from the goat. Altogether, whatever the saving that you have, which goes to 85 gram of gold, or say 625 gram of silver, or the cash equal to that, then you altogether, whichever the source you have, you might be having, through the job, you might be getting some savings through the salary, you might be getting some profits in your selling. If you sell something, you might be getting some profit through, somebody gave you as gift and you have that as a saving with you. So all these things should be counted as all one money, and inshallah you will get the reward for that.